Deep beneath the waves, where sunlight struggles to pierce the blue expanse, a colossal secret lay hidden. A massive 22-wheeler truck trailer, a ghost from the surface world, rested on the seabed, its rusty form a canvas for algae and sea plants. Colorful fish darted through its skeletal remains, creating a scene of haunting, mysterious beauty. The ocean floor, usually a realm of natural wonders, held this man-made leviathan in its silent, watery embrace. Then two explorers broke the stillness. A young man and woman, clad in scuba gear, glided through the deep, their lights cutting through the gloom. They were charting the unknown when they stumbled upon the incredible sight, the huge, coral-encrusted truck. Fish swirled around them as they approached, their bubbles rising in shimmering columns, their curiosity piqued by this impossible discovery. Cinematic close-ups revealed the truck's slow decay. Its metal body was a patchwork of rust and marine growth. Giant wheels were half swallowed by the sand, while small fish navigated the latticework of the trailer frame. Sea plants swayed gently in the currents, animating the wreck with a life of its own. The divers moved with care, inspecting the silent machine. They pointed towards the engine and the immense wheels, communicating in gestures, their minds racing to understand how such a vehicle ended up in this underwater graveyard. A decision was made. On the surface, a giant industrial rescue ship sliced through the waves, its powerful engines churning the water as it arrived above the site. A massive crane, a steel giant against the sky, began its work, lowering heavy chains into the deep. Underwater, the divers expertly attached the chains to the 22-wheeler's frame. The moment of recovery was at hand. With a surge of power, the crane began to lift. Slowly, dramatically, the massive rusty truck broke the surface, water cascading from its frame in a spectacular torrent. Back on shore, a team of mechanics descended upon the salvaged giant. They carefully opened the engine compartment, removing the corroded heart of the machine. The old seats and ruined interior were stripped away, preparing the truck for a new life. The restoration was a meticulous process of transformation. The body was cleaned and polished, then coated in a fresh, glossy paint. Gleaming new alloy wheels and a powerful new engine were installed. In a final, stunning reveal, the once-lost 22-wheeler stood fully restored, its shiny form a testament to an incredible journey from the ocean depths to the open road.